Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram filter not working. First of all, you'll have to see if your Instagram is updated or not. To see that, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then search for Instagram. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, what you're gonna do is check your internet filters. Need a good connection to load. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that brings them back. Now, if that also does not work, some filters may not be available in all countries. Also, make sure Instagram has permission to use your camera in your phone settings. Without it, filters won't work. Then, if nothing works, log in with another Instagram account to see if the issue is account specific. And that's it. After these steps, your Instagram filters should be working again. I hope this video helped you guys on your filters working back to normal again. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tip fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys